Hello everyone. So today I'm going to discuss with you that how we can make spreadsheet document using Android OpenOffice software. So it is the software which is from the OpenOffice software which we use in our laptops or computer system. But those who do not have computer or laptops, they can study that how they can create spreadsheet document using Android OpenOffice software in their Android mobile phones. So for that you have to download this Android OpenOffice software application from Play Store, and then you can see here that there it provides the various softwares like text document, spreadsheet, presentation, drawing, formula, templates. So presentation already we have discussed and I have made video regarding it, that how we can create presentations. Now as we have to go for the spreadsheet, so click on spreadsheet. See, so it is the spreadsheet. So if you rotate your screen, then it will show you the complete screen, that how it looks. Okay, so now there are following options it provides us: file option, edit option, view option, insert option, format option, tools option, data option. So here you can see the cells. It is similar to the Microsoft Office Excel spreadsheet, rows and columns in Excel sheet. Okay, so now sometimes it do not show the keyboard over here, so do not worry about that. What you have to do, press the center button of your mobile phone and then again go to your application. See, your keyboard has appeared here. So now if I want to type here something, I will just click on the cell. Now I will type here. Okay, I want to change it some text design. I want to change it, like I want to make it bold. So you just have to click on this arrow, this down arrow, and here you can see the various options: bold, italic, underline. So I will create in bold. So see, the text has become bold now. Now I want to make this text underline also, then again I will go to this arrow, underline, italic. So like this you can change your text. You can make it bold, italic, underline, or any other option. You just have to go to this arrow and you can click here. From here you can give alignment to your text, like you have to you have to write the text at the left side, right side, or in the middle of, in the center of the cell. So from here you can select it, align center horizontally. See, so it is all about like how we can write in this cell. Okay, now here you can see sheet 1. This is sheet 1. For sheet 2, click on sheet 2, and this will sheet 3. Okay, now I will come back to sheet 1, and if you want to go to next column, here you can see A, B, C columns only. Now if you want to see D, E, F, or any other column, you have to click on this arrow. See, okay, it will go forward and it will bring you back to your space. Okay, so all this you can do in Android OpenOffice software. Now the point comes that how you can save your file. For that you will go to file and click on save. Here you will see various options. Click on local drive, and from here you can select any of the folder from where you want to place your file. So I am selecting documents and I am placing my file in this folder. So now you have to give name to your document. Name to your document. So just you can write here, and .ods is its extension. Okay, so it is its extension. Okay, I have selected now documents. Okay, I am going to save it in my documents. Give the name to your file and .ods. Do not remove .ods, it is the extension of your file. And now click OK. So your file has been saved in your mobile phone, where you have set the location. So like this you can prepare spreadsheet document using Android OpenOffice software.